Show by Martel, and we back with another video. Back with another video. Back with another video. Okay. If this your first time watching, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so every single time I post, you definitely get that notification. Now I know this is y'all first time probably seeing this. It's just like it's y'all first time. It's my first time. Well, it's not my first time wearing a wig, but actually getting it installed. Which, please, is Thanksgiving. It's gonna be a Thanksgiving Day vlog, and this bump that came in right here. Y'all already know every single time you need your skin to be great is that time where it's gonna act up. But I'm gonna just walk y'all through my day or whatever. Y'all gonna get ready with me, and then we're gonna go over to my mama's house. I'm probably also gonna go over to my best friend's house. I gotta go over to my other best friend because she made me some banana pudding that she used to make every year. So good. And my family talking about they want to have a healthy Thanksgiving. So when I bring this unhealthy snack, baby, don't touch my stuff, okay? But I already know they're going to. So that's why I just made my best friend make me a big pan instead of just a small portion because I already know how my family is, okay? Period. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to do my makeup, and then we're going to go ahead and crimp my hair. My hair is not done. We're going to get that together. Then we're going to get dressed, go to my mama's house. I got to bring my dog with me because I can't keep keeping him in the house also. So we just going to get into it. Y'all going to stay with me, all right? So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Period. Let's go. All right, y'all. So this is part of the final look. I'm gonna give you a full body once I get settled. I'm on my way now to pick up the banana pudding. I got my dog here because he finna have to come with me for the day, and we're gonna keep y'all, you know, in tune. So stay tuned. Okay.
Oh yeah. All right.
That's for my wife.
Oh my God.
About 27.
Yeah, that's
Oh
hot.
my God.
I can't drink right now.
But yeah, I got you some cran mango to put in there with it.
Girl, made me want to slap my mama. Whoop, whoop. Well, I don't know that. Y'all know that? No. All I ask is, this is my life. Yes.
Everybody wants on America's most reliable network.
It's a type of bread you wear to the gym.
Everyone gets $800. All right.
Who's next?
That bread really popping like that.
Oh, McKenna Grace.
Yeah.
That was popping.
Who next? Y'all want me to go? I'll go.
That brand, a lot of girls be wearing that
Here.
brand to the gym.
I'll go. Take the camera.
They be having like 2-piece sets, like little tights and little tops.
What you think about that Kyra Murray's
Okay, you get coffee here, famous
Starbucks.
place. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Oops, I did
Britney
it
Spears.
again. Yeah.
Period.
Oh, leave the door open.
Bruno Mars.
And who?
And I don't know his name.
Okay, a shirt can be made out of
Silk.
Okay, and then
Bruno Mars and Silk.
but that okay, so his
Alright, that's
second
the
name,
first.
the Hedgehog.
What's right there next to Chick-fil-A?
It was a video
And they
game.
make slushies.
Blank
Sonic.
the head. Okay,
Bruno
so
Mars and the Silk Sonics.
yes, okay.
A fund that gives me access
Okay,
to
don't know who this person is.
real-time CGI.
Yeah.
The dog got the boo boo.
Okay,
I got it.
famous
White girl. Ariana Grande.
no,
You don't deserve that shit to that girl.
Kanye West. Taylor Swift.
yes.
Nah.
Oh, it's one of her songs. Okay.
All right, y'all. So we in the car now. Me and my family just got done playing some games or whatever, and we going down to Brickell to see our other cousins. So y'all stay tuned. I just want to come and give y'all an update and just keep watching. Period.
We stepping outside tomorrow night. Know that.
We're better outside.
Cheers.